I know it's been a while. Sorry, just waiting for more stuff to turn up. Today we're putting two spark gears in. One for my sister's RC. This is the old one. I grind this off pretty badly. Come over here. Got another one for this car right here. Just bring a new one. These two are done. I'll get to that one in probably when I get the motor. Today we're focused on my sisters and my sisters only. Well, set you guys up there. First, you need to take this off. Grab a screwdriver and just take it off. Don't have to show you guys the whole thing. There we go. Now when you get that off, you need to pry this off, this brake, and take out that bearing. Then this, you can just throw that away. Grab a new one. Take that off. There we go. Now when you get this all open, this will take like 5 or 3 minutes to put it on. Take this bearing, put that bearing in so like that. I always do the bearing first, then I do this, but I always do. Then you put the screws back in. So. Just screw it in tightly, but not too tight. If you guys want it, don't want this, take this off here again. Just put a Loctite on, but you know for a fact, I probably will grind this down again this is me. This is a tricky part here. Usually slashes come, or any RC cars, 2-wheel drive from Traxxas, it comes with spacers. And it helps you line it up, but I took both them out, and yeah, like so. Put that, now put that spring back on here. Take this, put this back on like so. That. Always finger screw it on first, then grab this and make sure to put it on that side. But I always put something on this drive shaft because it always moves around. Put like a screwdriver, and if you have your car in the air, this side right here will move. Just hold that down with the gear, and I always do like this. So when it feels like it gets tightening, I just know. I need to get a bigger screwdriver to hold this in place. There we go. Now, like so, you just hold on. Just want to. All right. Hopefully this will work. Like so, you just want to. All right. Hold on. Just shove it in that hole right there, if you want to. If it doesn't want to stay, just shove it in there. But if you want to risk it breaking your car, go ahead. But I just shove it in there. Sometimes you need two screwdrivers to hold this down. Put one like off this side like this, like that. Now you just tighten it down. Now, take all that out now. Now, you got to move the gear up, because I bought a smaller spur gear for the car. Well, I was supposed to get a something, but I forgot what it's called. That's the wrong size. I think this is it. Nope. Hold on. Where is that? Right here. Is it? Yep, it is. Now the trick is, ready? The trick is I recommend grabbing a piece of paper. Well, this. There we go. Recommend grabbing a piece of paper, right? And just put it between the pinion gear and the spur gear so you can get the perfect mesh, but I don't do that. I should start doing that, but no, I don't. There we go. That should be it right there. You want to have the slightest play stuff like that. So now you just grab a gear cover. That's it. Take that right there, put that right there. Where's that screwdriver I was just using? Or there's a bigger one right here too. Say less. Like so. Grab a tire, put the tire back on. So grab the wheel nut. This wheel nut is green, I don't know why, but yeah. There we go now. Now, there we go. Now, it's all done. Thank you for watching. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Thank you.